Hi children. In the previous class we have learnt about the stem. Okay. Now we will be discussing about the leaf. See, if you have been observed, all the leaves are in the same shape? No. They are in different shape, right? But all the leaves are green in color. See children, which is the main part of the plant? Leaf. Why leaf is the main part of the plant? Because it prepares food for the plant. Who will prepare food for you? Your mom, right? So in the same way, even for the plant, the leaf prepares food for the plant. Okay. Now we will be discussing about what are the different parts of the leaf, isn't it? This is the most important part of the plant. Leaf is the most important part of the plant. And here now we will be learning about the different parts of the leaf. Now the middle one. Can you able to say this middle one? The long one. This is called as which passes through the middle of the leaf. The line which passes through the middle of the leaf, we call that one as midrib or main vein. Please pronounce along with MID, mid, RIB, rib, midrib, okay, or main vein. What is this called? The line which passes through the center of the leaf. See here, can you able to see the leaf? Here, the line which passes through the center of the leaf. This one we call it as midrib or main vein. VEIN vein. Okay. And the next one is for the main midrib or the main vein. Have you observed this? The small side veins. Can you able to see this? And these are called as side veins. What are these called? Side veins. SIDE, side vein. VEIN vein. Side vein. Okay. Now the flat broad portion. What is this called? Leaf blade. This flat broad portion. Can you able to see this flat broad portion? What do we call this? Leaf blade or lamina. Okay. Leaf blade. LEAF. Leaf. BLADE. Blade or lamina. 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 Okay. The flat broad portion is called lamina. And the other one which here it has been connected to the, see for example, if you are taken a plant, this is called as stalk. What is this called? Stalk. Okay. And what we have discussed now? Parts of the leaf. The line which passes through the center of the leaf. This one we call it as midrib or main vein. Okay. And the next one which here for the main vein we have these side veins. Okay. These are called as side veins. The flat broad portion. This flat broad portion is called leaf blade or lamina. Okay. And this is a stalk. What do we call this? Which is attached to the stem. That is called as stalk. STALK, stalk. L is silent. Okay. STALK, stalk. Now, which is the main part of the plant? Most important part of the plant? Leaf. We have discussed about the parts of the leaf. Okay. Now, we will be learning about what are the functions of the leaf. Okay. Here, now we will be learning about the functions of the leaf. What we told that leaf is the main part. It prepares food for the plant, right? After preparing food, this food is taken through this midrib and the side vein to the remaining parts of the plant. See children, if we do take the food, what will happen? Do we get energy? No, we won't get energy and we can't grow, right? In the same way, Plants also, to grow it need food, right? So which part of the plant prepares? Leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay. So this one we call it as a food factory of the plant. Leaf is called the food factory of the plant. And your mom, where she is going to prepare the food? In the kitchen, right? So this leaf is also called, another name is, this is called, leaf is the food factory of the plant. Food factory or kitchen of the plant. What do we call that leaf? As a food factory or kitchen of the plant. Okay. See here, in order to prepare food by the leaves, what are the things does it need? It needs air. It takes the air, that means nothing but the carbon dioxide, right? And then water from the roots, isn't it? From the roots, it is taken through the stem and it takes the water, okay? And air, water, and what is the other one which gives the energy for the plant to prepare the food? Yeah, it is sunlight. With the help of air, water and sunlight, this green leaf prepares the food, and after preparing, it sends to the, through this midrib and through side veins and to all parts of the plant, and then the plant grows. The leaf preparing food with the help of air, water and sunlight. What is that process called? Photosynthesis. What is that process called? Photosynthesis. Okay. So here I am writing the functions of the leaf. It is called prepares food for the plant, prepares food for the plant to grow. Okay, what is the second point here? And the next one is it, with what it takes, it prepares the food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Air, water and sunlight. Plant prepares food, right? What are the main? Please underline these words. Sunlight prepares food. This process we call it as, this process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. The green leaves preparing food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. Plant prepares the food. That process we call it as photosynthesis. Okay. Here photo means light. Photo means light. And synthesis means putting together. Putting together. Which is helping for the green leaf to get all those things? Sunlight. Sunlight gives the energy for the leaf to prepare the food. It combines air, water and then it prepares food. That process we call it as photosynthesis. Okay. In some of the plants, the extra food is stored in leaves. See, extra food is stored in leaves. What are those examples? Spinach and cabbage. See, what is this, children? Spinach. Okay. This spinach, the extra food is stored in it. Okay. Children, do you like to eat leafy vegetables? It's very good. Okay. At least weekly once you should take a leafy vegetable. Okay, children. Now you all have understood about the functions of the leaf. In the next class, we will be learning about the fruits and flowers. Okay. Thank you.